Hey everyone, my name is Belinda Vennam and I'm a developer advocate here at IBM. Recently, I had the opportunity to work with the IBM Kubernetes service team to build a fun project to help explain some high-level concepts of Kubernetes and Istio. Have you heard of Kubernetes yet? It's one of the fastest growing technologies in the industry, providing an isolated and secure application platform for managing containers. It can transform application development and operations for your team or company, but first there are a ton of new concepts and definitions to learn. What better way to learn those new concepts and definitions in a fun and visual way than with drones? Each drone represents a pod, and as we apply our deployment manifest, we see a drone take off when the pod gets created. We can manually scale the deployment, and as more pods are spun up, we see 2 more drones take off. We also wanted to showcase the declarative model of Kubernetes, that the system will always attempt to match the desired state defined by the developer. When one of the pods crashes or is taken out, another pod will spin up to take its place. Declarative systems are able to react to unintended state changes without explicit supervision. We used lighting on the drones to demonstrate pods being assigned to nodes based on an anti-affinity scheduling policy. When we create the deployment, you can see the first drone changing its color to blue and then hovering over the blue node. We scale the replicas to 4, but there are only 3 nodes. 3 drones will change their colors to match the node's colors once they're assigned, but since there's an anti-affinity scheduling policy in place that only allows 1 pod per node, the 4th drone will never be assigned. These 3 are just a quick sampler of the various scenarios we built for demonstrating Kubernetes concepts with the drones. You can find more details about the other scenarios and how to recreate this project at our GitHub page. For this project, we used the Crazyfly 2.0 drones from bitcraze.io. These are open source, programmable drones that come with a number of extensible add-on decks. We used the add-on LED ring deck to provide lights to the bottom of the drones, so that they could change color to match to their associated node. For a positioning system, we use the local positioning system, which allows us to send desired XYZ positions to the drones. LPS comes with nodes that you set up around the flying space to define the boundaries, your XYZ axes, and your origin point. This was a really fun project to work on, and we're excited to keep building on it. You can find our code at github.com/ibm/kubefly, and of course, feel free to reach out if you have any ideas for new scenarios, suggestions, or just want to get started with the IBM Kubernetes service.